Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop? You set goals, make plans, but somehow you always end up putting things off. I used to think procrastination was about being lazy, but I was wrong. It's 10 p.m. You've been about to start for hours, yet somehow Netflix, Instagram, or that random YouTube video kept winning. The deadline is creeping closer, the guilt is growing, but you still can't move. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Procrastination isn't a time management issue, it's an emotional one. Your brain sees a task as overwhelming, so it avoids it. The bigger it feels, the harder it is to start. But what if you could trick your brain into taking action effortlessly? 2 simple steps changed everything for me, and they'll work for you too. Step 1. Make the task laughably small. Instead of telling yourself, I need to write an essay, say, I'll write 1 sentence. Instead of, I have to go to the gym, say, I'll do 1 push-up. 1 step. So easy your brain can't resist. And once you start, momentum takes over. I once had a project I avoided for weeks. Then I told myself, just open the document. That was it. No pressure. 5 minutes later, I was in the zone, and an hour flew by. Step 2. Reward instant action. Your brain loves instant gratification. That's why scrolling is so addictive. It gives you a hit of dopamine with 0 effort, so we use that against procrastination. Pair every tiny action with a reward, check a box, listen to your favorite song, even a fist bump to yourself. It sounds silly, but it works. Because when starting is easy and finishing feels good, procrastination doesn't stand a chance. So here's your challenge. Pick 1 thing you've been avoiding. Make the first step ridiculously small, so small it feels silly not to do it. Then reward yourself instantly. Try it today. Break the cycle, because your future self is waiting.